Hey guys, Dane here. Thanks for your interest in wanting to become an affiliate for our book. We're really stoked about that. It means that we can help you make a little bit of money for recommending a product that you like, and we're obviously pleased because it means that our book gets out there to more people and sharing more of our knowledge and sort of our journey at the same time as well. So the first step that you'll need to do is basically sign up for an account with Gumroad. They're the people that we use to fulfill the book. So you can click on the link at the top of the page or go to gumroad.com. Then you want to click on Start Selling in the top right here. We know that you're not selling, but this is basically just to create an account with your bank details so that Gumroad know how to pay you once people make purchases from the links we'll get you set up with. Here you'll basically enter in your account details, your new account. I'm just going to blur out my full email, but obviously you'll enter your whole one. Click that you're not a robot, and then click Create Account. We pay for the service so that you don't have to, so this page here, just click No Thanks. That's going to take you to just a little bit of information that they seem to want from you, which is a bit unnecessary, but just basically you can tick anything here and then click Continue, which takes you to this page you don't have to worry about again. Instead, go My Account and click on Settings here. Now this is the default settings page, but you see my mouse hovering. Click on Payout. Now this is the nitty gritty. This is how you can get paid basically. This is what Gumroad wants to know so that they can put the money into your account. You can select if you're an individual or a business, and then it's just standard first name, last name, just your generic information. And you can see I'm in Daneger at the moment, so it only gives me PayPal option, but a lot of countries will actually allow you to enter your full bank details. Then click Finish. That takes you to this page here, which is, we're done on Gumroad for the time being anyway. You can now head over to your email address that you used to sign up, and you should have confirmation instructions. This is from Gumroad just to confirm that the email you gave them is accurate. Confirm your email, and now we're done on Gumroad. You don't need to worry about anything else here. But this is critical. Now you need to come back to our affiliate site, and at the sign up box at the bottom, put your name and the email address that you just signed up with so that we can get you set up. You'll get a little confirmation that that box has been successful, and then you'll also receive an automated email just from us to say, cool, that came through, it's registered. Give us 48 hours to do our back-end stuff to make sure that you can get set up properly with your links. This was a little bit annoying. When I did the test, for some reason it went into the spam in my Gmail. So just keep an eye out within that 48 hours to see if it's gone in there for you as well. If you don't hear from us within about 48 hours, head back onto our site, go to the Contact Us page and just send us a message and we'll look into it. But basically, I'm just going to click this is not spam, and now it's back in my inbox, and this is the email that you'll get. So it just talks about the name of the book, the percentage of the payment you'll get, which is 20%. That 20% will stay the same, but the purchase price may go up, so you might make more in the future. This is the key link here. This is the one that you need to share online, not this generic one. But when I click on this particular link, you'll see it still takes you to the same place. The difference here is that link is attributed in Gumroad specifically to you only. So anybody that lands on this page and either buys now at the bottom there or at the top of the page here, anybody that buys within 30 days after clicking on your link, you'll make that cut. Now it's just a case of sharing it online. If you share it on Facebook or other sites that pull through some, this is obviously just some a little write-up that I did myself, but you can share it however you like. You can email it to people, Messenger, just send it to anybody that you'd like. On Facebook, when the website is live, as it will be now, that will also pull through a little bit of information showing the book title and some details as well, so people can see a bit more. Then it's just about making money. Once somebody purchases from your link, this is just off the Gumroad website as well. You can see the URL there if you want to read more. Basically, you will get that email once after every sale, and it will say, this is an example, obviously, but it will say you've helped Daneger and Stacey make a sale. This was the sale price. You've got 20%, which means you've made this much from that particular sale. And then, by the looks of it, payout is every other Friday. And if you log back into your Gumroad account, which you don't really need to until you've made a sale, under the balance dashboard, you should be able to see the fees there or the affiliate commissions that you've earned. And that's basically all that there is involved. Once you've been through those steps, then you're completely set up. You've now got your unique link to share online. Yeah, thank you so much for sharing it. That helps us get the book out there with more people and share some knowledge about full-time travel, which we're obviously really pleased about. And it also means that, you know, you can make $5 or more just from sharing a product that you already like. So it's a win-win, and we're stoked that you want to be part of it. So thanks so much.